Hello everybody, how are you guys doing? My name is Alice, and today I will tell you guys the whole truth about Liver Guard Plus. So stay tuned until the end of this video because I need to pass a very important alert involving Liver Guard Plus. So please, pay close attention to what I am about to tell you. Really guys, Liver Guard Plus is making a lot of success in the market, and it has been calling the attention of several people. In its official website we can find testimonials from customers who really had great results with Liver Guard Plus. In various social networks, you can only read about Liver Guard Plus and its benefits all over the internet. And the truth is that Liver Guard Plus really does work, and after lots of research, researchers identified that it has a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that help to restore liver health. The manufacturer claims you can improve your immunity, digestion, metabolism, and much more by taking it daily. It comes in small, easy-to-swallow capsules taken twice daily, preferably with water and a meal. This will allow your body to better absorb the 26 potent vitamins, minerals, and herbal extracts in Liver Guard Plus. Liver Guard Plus is designed to work for everyone without causing side effects. It doesn't matter whether you're a man in his 20s or a woman in her 50s, Liver Guard Plus can help support detoxing and healing of your liver. So yes, you can trust this product, and better, you can also have great results by taking the treatment seriously and taking Liver Guard Plus every day. But the big warning is, be very careful with the website from which you are going to buy Liver Guard Plus from, because it is only sold on their official website. So keep in mind that the original product, which will really give you results, is only sold on the official website. To help you out, I've left the link to the official website below in the description box of this video. When you finished watching this video, click on the link here below, and draw your own conclusions, but first I would like to tell you one last warning. You need to know that each body responds differently to the treatment. I'm saying this so that you start the treatment on the right foot, with focus and determination, using the original product. Do the treatment every day and drink plenty of water to hydrate and accelerate your results even more. If you can, start with the kit with 3 bottles of Liver Guard Plus. This is recommended so that you follow the complete and recommended treatment. And one point that really excited me is the fact that if the product doesn't work, the manufacturer returns 100% of the entire investment. So you get a full refund. It is important to repeat again that you need to take it every day, and for sure, as long as you follow the treatment seriously, you can see the initial results already in the first month. And just to finish, Liver Guard Plus has no side effects because it is 100% natural. So that's it, and remember, you can only buy the original product on the official website that I left here below in the description box of this video for you, okay? Now do your part guys, take the treatment correctly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's, because every body acts in a different way. I really hope this video has helped you. Come back here in the comments later and tell us your results. It was a pleasure to help you guys. Take care everyone, bye.